Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, today we are checking out the Esports MK1001 one-hand gaming keyboard for your smart TV, Android phone and PC and laptop. This is a very amazing product, specially designed for gamers only. This is the box and here you can get some specification feature of this product. So I have already unboxed this product. So while you unbox, you can get some documentation like user manual guide and warranty card. For Android for user, you can get one Type-C OTG adapter, as you can see guys. This is very useful. And finally here you can get your one-hand gaming keyboard. This keyboard comes with USB cable. In this keyboard, the first thing you will notice the unique one-hand design. Unlike a traditional keyboard, this model focuses only the keys most gamers actually use. Okay, it is also included built-in wrist rest for extra comfort during the long gaming session. While you connect this keyboard to your device, so it instantly turn on some RGB lighting. The RGB lighting gives it a premium gaming glow. So this keyboard has some special feature. You can get 35 gaming keys, RGB backlight feature, USB plug and play, compact design, OTG adapter for Android phone users, compatible with multiple devices like Android phone, smart TV, PC and laptop. Now let's connect this gamepad first to our laptops. I have already plugged this gamepad to my laptop. You don't need to do any extra hard work, so it will automatically detect your gamepad. So you can now play some game. Playing one game, the performance of this keyboard is very nice. The keyboard layout feel you very comfortable while playing the game. You can use this gamepad with your Android phone also. So just need to use this OTG adapter. Simply plug this into your charging port and then simply plug your laptop USB cable in this adapter like this. Now as you can see guys, the keyboard was turned on. Now you can enjoy your favorite game as well on your phone. If you have a iPhone, so extra thing you need to purchase one lightning adapter. So old iPhone comes with lightning adapter only. So I have iPhone 13, as you can see guys. If you have also iPhone 13, 14, so you can purchase this lightning OTG adapter. Just connect it, that's it. Now you can also play some amazing game while using this gaming keyboard on your iPhone as well. In this box you don't see this lightning adapter, only you will get this Type-C OTG adapter only. If you want to connect this gamepad to the smart TV, same process you can follow. So if you are looking for a compact gaming keyboard for your smart TV, Android phone or PC laptop, so this product is very amazing and interesting option. For gamer who want a dedicated gaming keypad without using a full-size keyboard, it is definitely worth considering. If you enjoy this review, don't forget to like, subscribe and see you in the next one. Thank you.